Colleges are opening and we need to be all set for it. The long classes and ever-rising stress levels sometimes make it hard for us to look good throughout the day. Here's what you need. A few things every college girl must have in her beauty kit. College requires a lot of outdoor hanging out, so a sunscreen helps you have all the fun without worrying about sun damage. I use the Lotus Safe Sun 3-in-1 Matte Daily Sunblock, which moisturizes my skin, evens out the skin tone, giving me the sun protection at the same time. I feel that a compact is a must-have in a beauty kit. I would highly suggest you to pick one with SPF. I recommend the Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte because it has SPF 40, it is super soft in texture and extremely mattifying. Of course, for the college parties, you need to amp up your makeup game. The Maybelline Nudes Blushed Eyeshadow Palette is a multi-functional product. I love that the eyeshadow has an intense color payoff, and using this you can instantly transform the day to night look. I also use this palette to contour and highlight the face. And you can also shape your brows using the darker shades. A kajal is every college girl's best friend. You can double it up as an eyeliner or give your eyes a quick smoky effect. What I like about this is that it's long wear, waterproof, and is the blackest of black. The Maybelline Colossal eyeliner is definitely my favorite pick. The gel consistency is easy to apply, it's smudge-free, dries instantly and lasts for 12 hours. A few swipes can also help in lengthening your lashes to give your eyes that spark you were probably looking for. I love using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. It instantly gives length and volume to the lashes that is much needed and keeps them curled for almost 18 hours. A lip crayon not only instantly gives color to the lips but also gives a splash of color to the cheeks. Since daily college life includes a lot of traveling and staying outdoors, use one with SPF. This crayon is soft in texture, is matte and highly pigmented. Now it's time for a quick hack. While waxing sessions are painful and time-consuming, a razor is portable and gives you the same results without any pain. The Gillette Venus Breeze razor comes equipped with moisture panels that help retain skin's moisture during and even after the shave. You can head over to the Myntra Beauty app to get your hands on all these beauty products. Most of these products are also on discount or on offer, so that's a bonus. Bye!